Hey everyone, so wifey and I recently moved into a new apartment and we were trying to get this place spruced up, looking really nice. We got some old furniture. So today, Ben and I are going to be redoing and restoring this coffee table. Let's get started. So as you can see, this table has got a bunch of peeling, cracking. There's also this like colored pencil, wax, whatever crayon looking stuff. I'm pretty sure that's gum. And there's this interesting groove. I just don't know what's in there, just old and disgusting. It's gray. Otherwise, this hardware, this drawer, doesn't work. It's fake. Legs look all right. Legs look fine. So what we're really gonna do here is we're probably gonna strip off the top, get some stain on it, paint the body of it and the legs, and probably do something with this handle. We'll figure that out later. So we're outside, and to strip the top coat off of this table, we're gonna use this paint varnish stripper that I found. And it's green, better for the environment. So we're gonna go ahead and apply this, wait 30 minutes per the directions, and then we're gonna come back and strip this stuff off. Let's do this. Ah! Okay, so the phone died mid-recording, but I did get it on, and it's been sitting around for about 45 minutes, so we should be good. And also check out who came for moral support. It's too cold. Yeah, she's just watching me here. So we're gonna go ahead and get this scraping and peel this this top layer of the coffee table off. Are you hoping that this is as satisfying as I hope it's gonna be? Because I'm hoping this is really satisfying. Bro, no! Alright, it's not ready. So I'm using this thing and it's definitely saying for best results, like use it within a range of temperatures, 65 and 95 degrees. And it's definitely like 40 degrees out here, so it's kind of hard to get this stuff off. And I think that might be my fault. So I'm gonna come back tomorrow probably when the sun is out. It's a little warmer. We're gonna give this a second go because that was kind of hard to take off. And I don't know if waiting longer is gonna help out, but we will see.
Hey guys, so I did end up losing the footage of my second attempt. And by losing the footage, I definitely mean that my wife deleted the footage. So now it's only in my memory. Anyway, I did give the stripper another try in appropriate weather. It was probably mid-70s and the layer did come off fairly well. But as you can see, there's still plenty of parts where it just didn't really go down to the bare wood. At that time, my sander was at my parents' place, so I had to roll up my sleeves and I had to really go for it. So enjoy the montage.
This is the paint of choice. Oh my god. This is the color. Oops, paint for 2 buckos.
I put on about 3 coats. Actually, exactly 3 coats, and it came out really well, this finish. So I'm pretty happy with how that turned out. I got a bunch of paint on the table, but that's fine. That doesn't matter. That's going to get sanded off, and the stain is going to be one of the last things that we do. We're going to go ahead and swatch some of these colors. It's kind of a, what would you call this color? Auburn. Brick red.
Close to brick.
Rusty brick.
Oh.
Rusty auburn. Fall rust.
Isn't there a name on the paint?
Oh, girl, that does look like rust. It looks like I just took a bunch of rust into a powder and just put water in it. Just like, that's gross.
Isn't there a name on the paint itself?
You know what? Yeah, this is deep base.
You're spilling it!
Ah! This is interior semi-gloss enamel. It's a very stupid name. You know?
They don't have the name of the color on
No, I think, see, the Oops paint is Oops paint, so I think it's a custom color that someone wanted and had it mixed or something.
there? They can just mix colors?
Girl, you can get custom colors. So you see, they have brochures and stuff that we always ignore, but you don't have to ignore those brochures and pamphlets and stuff. And then when you don't ignore it, you can just say, hey, I like this color. And they're like, okay, cool, I'm gonna make that color for you. And then they make that color for you. And then you go home, regret, come back and say, I don't want this anymore. And they're like, okay. They just slap a sticker on it and then sell it to you for $2. You know, I'll do it in 2 halves. Oh my, why? Okay, so that color is definitely different. It's more red, I would say, almost pinkish. Let's see what they both look like on the table. Oh yeah, all right, B. You come here and you tell me. This one's browner for sure, and that's almost pinkish.
The brown one.
You like that one?
Yeah.
It's time to paint.
How it looks with the white peeking through?
Yeah, check it out. I really like how that looks. It's distressed. I'm quite the fan. Like if this was all solid, and I just left the leg like that.
Absolutely not.
Pardon the noise. I got the final coat on, and I did some spot fixing where there were still bits of white left. I did make a mess though. There's a bunch of paint that I got on the trim here, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean that up. I'll clean the top off while I'm at it, and we're gonna get some stain on this bad boy. Almost there. Guys, I want you to see this. It is day and night sanding with the sander versus a hand, like by hand. And I just want to let you know, sanding by hand is for chumps. Hey guys, so the weather got really nice. I'm finally back. I just finished sanding the table with 220 grit, so it's super smooth. And we're gonna put the stain on in just a moment. Check it out. Oh yeah. Actually, you know, put your hand on it. It's super smooth.
Ooh.
You're the expert. You let me know if this is satisfying.
I like it, I think. I mean, of course, you're gonna wipe off the excess, right?
Who told you that?
No?
Yeah, you wipe off excess. Yeah, so you put a bunch on, you let it soak into the wood, like actually stain and penetrate the wood, and then you wipe it off.
Is it like the longer you keep in, the more it'll soak in?
Probably. But it's only going to absorb so much too, right?
Right.
You know what? I think you picked a good color. I think it's going to come out quite nice. Man, look at that. So I thought it was kind of neat that the Dollar Tree sold painter's tape. And I'm seeing the quality that I get when I buy painter's tape from Dollar Tree. You think it would just be as simple as, is it sticky? Is it tape? All right. Is it blue and or green? Whatever. This tape is so ass. It's so ass.
What?
It's booty.
Oh.
Does it even matter? Does it even matter?
No.
Yeah. I got dollar store tape. I got dollar store booty. This is what I got. I'm gonna end up sanding this again. And now, ladies and gentlemen, after what should have only have taken 2 days, which has taken me what feels like 2 months, I have the final result. Well, it's done, guys. Finally done. Turned out a lot better than I had hoped. We had some hiccups along the way, of course. Yeah. Hiccups, to say the least. But it came out well. It's smooth, it's got a nice color, it's gonna be a good addition. Unfortunately, I'm gonna move soon, so this table's gonna go bye-bye. But it was nice. It's cool, you know. It's nice to just make something, and it's cool to just transform something. So I'm gonna be working on something else in the meantime. And until next time, I guess.